Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Claire and I put out videos about luxury bags and accessories. So if that is your thing, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and you'll know when I upload a new video. I have an unboxing for you today. I bought a pre-loved Fendi item and I've never bought anything pre-loved Fendi before. So I've only ever bought from the boutique, from 24S or from the private sale. If you haven't checked out my recent private sale video, I'll link it down below so you can see what Fendi goodies I got from there. But yeah, this is pre-loved and I bought this from Designer Exchange, and in a way it's kind of thanks to the lovely Steph from Handbagholic, and a big shout out to Steph because at time of filming she has just hit 100,000 subscribers and that is just such an achievement. I am so thrilled and so happy for her, so just massive congratulations to Steph. And if you're not one of the 100,000 people that are subscribed to her, I'm going to link her channel down below so that you can go over and subscribe to her and let's get her even higher. So it's thanks to Steph because she recently did a collaboration with Designer Exchange and she actually unboxed a pre-loved Fendi item on Instagram and on her channel. And I have been signed up to Designer Exchange for a while. I'm very much aware of them. Occasionally I look at their website, but I saw that and I suddenly thought, oh, I haven't checked their website for ages, and I certainly haven't checked their website for anything Fendi. And because on my wish list this year I was maybe thinking about getting a vintage baguette or something like that, so I thought I would have a look at their website and in particular check out their Fendi items. And obviously, as I say, I was looking for bags, but I found something else. Thought about it for a couple of days, but with this sort of thing you do have to act quite quickly because obviously on these pre-loved sites there's only one of what you're looking at. So I thought I'd better not take too long to think about it, but I did spend a couple of days thinking about it and then I decided to go for it and order it. And it arrived and it's here and it's in a massive box which can't even fit on the screen. Now at the minute all I've done is I've slit the top because I wanted to take the paper out that had all my address details on. So I've got my little cutter, so let's give it a slit. There we go. It's that side. And sorry, I'm having to do it off screen because it is so big, this box. Hold on, I've got to split. There we go. Right, I think that's done it. Yeah, there we go. Right, okay, now I've never ordered anything from Designer Exchange before. As I say, I've been signed up to them. I sometimes get their emails, or sometimes here and there check their site, but never actually ordered. So you can see in the box it's only half full. There's quite a lot of bubble paper there. So let's take all that out. There's what I've got right down at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. I can't see the screen now where I'm showing you that, so I've no idea if you can see that. Hello Pebbles. On here there's a little leaflet that gives me my order number, tells me who packaged my order, and it says included with your purchase, and it's got a number of things here and it's got ticks and crosses depending what's included. So it's got here Designer Exchange box, tick, original dust bag, tick. It didn't have the original box, receipt, tags or a Designer Exchange dust bag, but it should have a Fendi dust bag in here, or possibly two Fendi dust bags because spoiler alert, this is actually a pair of shoes. So there's tissue there now, and there we go, the tissue, and in the bottom we have, I assume what I assume they're referring to as the Designer Exchange box. And let's open this, and we have tissue paper, and nestled in the tissue paper, there we go. Oh, it looks like I've just got one dust bag. We have, here we go, a pair of Fendi shoes, and they are Colibris. Now I know you probably can't see them very well there. Let's get them out so I can show you. Oh wow, I really didn't know what these would be like. It said that they were obviously pre-loved, but it said they were in good condition, but it said they didn't show any signs of wear, so they didn't think they'd been worn. But here we go, here they are. Now I need to get them so I can show you. There we go. They're black and blue and they're Fendi Colibris, so you can see they have the distinctive let's put one down so I can just show you this one. They have the distinctive Fendi heel, Calibri heel, in the silver, but they're a closed-in shoe. So rather than having the open back, the bit padded bit here, and then the strap across the front, they're just a very simple, sort of elegant pump with the shorter heel. They've got the usual mesh in black here, and then they've got blue leather across here and around the foot. Yeah, so they haven't been worn. Look at that, they've never been worn. So wow, that's just where a sticker was, I think, looking at that. It's not actual wear. Wow, yeah, I mean, they really are in fantastic unused condition. Wow, I'm blown away actually. These are better than I expected. Okay, so they're a size 39.5. Now in this style of shoe I am usually a 39, so my only little worry is that they might be a touch too big. When I buy Calibris, I usually do buy a 39.5, but that's because they've got the open back, and I do find in shoes with an open back I tend to have to go up half a size just so that my heel doesn't hang over the back. But in closed-in shoes, 39 is usually a good size for me. I have said on my channel before that I've got one foot slightly bigger than the other, so sometimes when I get a 39 it is a little bit tight on one foot, but I actually prefer my shoes to be a bit tighter on one foot than really loose on one foot, if that makes sense. But I did think it was worth taking the chance. Designer Exchange do have a good return policy, providing you let them know within 14 days that you want to return something. Certainly if you've ordered it online, because it's their distance sales policy. But if you let them know within 14 days, they will let you return the item, and then I think you have so many days to actually send it back to them, and obviously it's got to be in the condition you received it. But yeah, I need to try these on, and I see if I can do some shots of what they look like on, and yeah, see if they are okay, see if they fit me. So I'm going to go off now and I'm going to try them on so I can report back at the end of this video whether I'm going to be keeping these or not. So I'm back. I've just tried them on. They look gorgeous. Now they are very, very simple and elegant. They are certainly not as striking as the normal Calibris. Obviously the normal Calibris, they have that strap across the front, they have little touches that just make them a little bit more noticeable. These are very, very subtle, but that's kind of why I like them. I've been wanting to try a pair of the closed-in Calibris. They don't seem to be doing them on the website anymore. Actually, they don't seem to be releasing hardly any Calibris like this. I have no idea how old these are, which collection they came from or anything like that, but there was a time where they did do a few different types of pairs of these kind of pump style Calibris that were closed in, but as I say, they certainly don't seem to do them now. And yeah, I'm just you know, when I saw them on Designer Exchange, I just thought, I think I could definitely wear them for work. They're a little bit more subtle. I could probably wear them a little bit more all year round because they're not an open back, so I really thought it was worth giving them a try. Now, just trying them on, yes, my foot that is a little bit bigger fits absolutely perfectly, no issues there. My foot that's a little bit smaller, it is a tiny little bit slippy, it's a tiny bit big. It's this one here, it's my left foot. It is a tiny little bit bigger, but I really think I can live with it. I might put a little heel grip thing here just to maybe help with that. And my feet do swell throughout the day. You know, I wear my Roger Vivier shoes, which again, if you haven't seen the unboxing of those, I'll link that down below. I wear those to work a lot, and certainly in the morning they're absolutely fine, they're really comfortable, but I do sometimes feel in the afternoon that my feet have swollen a little bit and they're feeling a little bit tighter. They're still very comfortable, but I do notice that my feet do swell as the day goes on. And so yeah, I don't think I'm going to have too much of an issue with one of these shoes being just a touch touch too big. I certainly wouldn't have been able to go up more than half a size, but just going up half a size I think I'm going to be okay. So yeah, I'm really pleased with those, and if I haven't already I will pop some shots in of me trying them on, because they did, yeah, I was really pleased with them. They did look really nice. They're blue and black, they're neutral, you know, they will go with a lot in my wardrobe. They'll certainly go with a lot of my work clothes, so yeah, very pleased with those. They were a really good price as well. I paid £225 for them, so they're a really good price compared to what normal Colibris cost you. I actually phoned Designer Exchange and just said, what's your delivery time scale, what courier do you use? And they said they usually use DPD, and if you order before 1 PM they will be delivered the following day. So I ordered about 10:30 in the morning. So in the afternoon I started to get DPD notifications and they arrived the following day. I'm not affiliated with or sponsored by Designer Exchange at all, but I've obviously just had a good experience with them, so I would recommend, if you are in the market for any pre-loved luxury items, to check them out. I'll pop their website down below as well, yeah, let me know what you think about my new Fendi pre-loved shoes at, you know, about a quarter of the price that you would normally pay for Fendi Colibris. So yeah, let me know. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you everyone for watching, I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.